Hi guys, this is Yash. I'm not sure if you can hear me, but I'm at the Nagpur railway station, and since my train is just about to reach my platform, I thought it's a nice time to test the video recording capabilities of the Nokia 808 PureView. More importantly, I chose this location so that we can put Nokia's rich recording technology into practice. Since the railway station is supposed to generate varied sounds, right from people chattering to you have announcements, and there you see the train is just about to pull in. Hopefully we should be able to experience rich sound using their rich recording capability. Hello, can you hear me? There you have the train pulling in. I'm not sure if you will be able to hear me through this volume. So that's it.